Starting another video. I'll have to send it in 2 sections. I keep getting freaking calls. Of course, they're not important calls to start with. A little bit of corrosion there, nothing deep, just surface. The inside the boxes all look pretty good. Same thing, these tires here are basically new. A little bit of surface rust there where the paint's come off. I can't really see nothing in there, but actually those bottles probably need to go back to whoever they belong to. The box is in really good shape, other than that little bit of surface rust. And best I remember, I'll have to look, but I think this has a new fuel system in it, which is like a $9,000 deal. Seat's stained up a little bit there. Stain there. I would start it, but with them having that rear end out and I'm in their shop, I hate to do anything like that. They may not want me starting it, but it does run and drive good. If it's something you're interested in, I will get a second video of it running and driving down the road, or running and running. I'll get this uploaded.